Okay, let's start loading the data into our dbeaver. I'm using SQLite for this. So I have some data sets brought it from Kaggle. So it's mostly the stock prices for the last 5 years and the sim metadata for that. So let's load it. It doesn't take more than a minute. So cool, it's done. So now I can see the data for all stocks by date and little metadata about those symbols. So we are good here. Let's see the year diagram for these two tables which we have loaded, and you can see these tables are now showing up on year diagram, and you don't need to have a referential integrity for anything. And let's see how that configuration works for the database. This is a connection string for the database which used SQLite. Let's go to application. Let's see how things we can use it. Okay, for example, Microsoft stock price trending over quarter to quarter. Okay, let's see how the query it has been generated. You can see like how it created the quarters around the year, and it filtered out the symbol MSFT, and it has, this is the output of that query, and now you can see this output. So this is jar from high charts, and it also has a HTML table which lists out the data, and it has a hover option where it can actually shows the values on the each x-axis. And now let's do another query on the database. Now let's look at another query: top 5 high volume stocks in year 2017 which are not ETFs. I want security names instead of symbols, and submit the query. And the query it's generated, you can see it here. This is the query it has generated, and this is the output you can see at the bottom. And let's go and see how that it's a Vega chart, it has been generated. So this is how the chart looks like, and this is a small table which describes those numbers perfectly. Thank you.